The difference between a single member and a multi-member LLC is huge. The operating agreement, just to give you an idea, for a single member is about 10 pages because we're just dealing with one person. But when you add in that second person, that spouse or another third party that's going to be a business partner, that operating agreement is now serving more than the purpose of maintenance. It's now a partnership agreement, and it turns into a 30 to 50 page document, which is more legal fees that you have to pay. It's much more complicated. It makes your life as a business owner much more complicated because now we're treating it like a marriage. We are now dealing with two human beings or more, and we've got to set out the expectations so that everybody's on the same page. And we already know how things are going to go because we've talked through it and we've made that decision in the operating agreement. And then if something crazy happens, we're not making decisions under emotions and stress. We're clear-headed. We have something to reference. We know what needs to happen. And so working with us, we just try and help you understand what obstacles lay ahead when you join a partnership and how important it is to have everything figured out ahead of time and how important it is for the future on who has the authority to make certain decisions and what types of decisions actually need to be signed by everybody or maybe just one person. And it just will help you to reduce anything that turns into a disagreement that can boil over into a lawsuit and legal action. We like working with companies from the very beginning all the way through to the end. So the goal is that if you have a partnership and we've done the operating agreement and we've talked through all the terms, and then a few years later you decide that you want out, that you're done being partners, this didn't work out the way you wanted, well, guess what? It's going to end amicably. We can still be friends because you guys dealt with everything ahead of time and you knew how it was going to go when you wanted to end that partnership.